Hello guys, in today's video we are seeing the VLAN configuration. So what is VLAN means? VLAN is virtual local area network. So in this we are seeing how a virtual local area networks works. So let's take the components. So first let's take a router and a switch, and let's take three PCs. And now let's connect the PCs. So I'm connecting it to first port. The first PC is connected to first port, second one to second. So now we have connected each component. Let's make a little bit better. So now we have to give the IP configuration to each component. So I'll give first the IP configuration for the router. So let's take it as, let's take IP as 192.168.1.1. So this is the gateway for our LAN configuration. So I am taking this PC0 and PC1 as LAN configuration. So let's put the default gateway as this 192.168.1.1, and for this port we'll take next number, and same with PC2. We'll take gateway same, and the IP address is 1.3. So now we have connected. Let's queue little bit time. So yeah, now we can see they are connected. Yeah, we need to on this fast Ethernet, otherwise it will not connect. Yeah, now you can see the green lines, it's reaching to the router. So those are the packets that are reaching to the router and all. So we can see it is showing successful for the two PCs. We need to check for this router. Okay, that's it. Now it's connected completely. So you can see how these are connected to one another using LAN. But what we are going to do now is we are giving different IP address to these two pieces. Let's just mark them with different color. So let's take blue for this LAN pieces, and a different color for like yellow or any whitish color. These are VLAN. Yeah, now let's give IP address to these two. So we are taking default gateway as 192.168.20.1. so this is not in that router, but still we are configuring, and we are going to run this successfully after completion. So we need to take here as 2. This is second one. The gateway is 20.1, but the system IP configuration is 20.2. And for same PC3, we'll take gateway as 20.1 and system IP address as 20.3. This is third as well. 6. Here we need to the 3. Yeah, but as we know, it will not work because those are not connected to the router. So let's make a database here at switch. Let's take a database. You can add any number to this one, like any number like 30, or like it's like ID, and this one VLAN, any name. So I'm adding a name VLAN and 30 to this one, so it's added here. So we need to go to router and do the same. VLAN, we'll just add 30 and VLAN. Yeah, it's added. And let's give a name. VLAN configuration is going to be 20.1. Yeah, and LAN configuration is going to be 1.1, and the IP address of this first PC is going to be 1.12. It's for second PC it is 3, 1.3, and for third it's 1.2. For this fourth PC it's 20.3. That's it. Yeah, now as we know, it will not go still. You can check, it's only going to this through, but it won't go to router. The packets won't go to router, or the packets won't go into this PC1 or PC2. We know that. We need to configure it. How we'll do is, we'll go to router and we'll go to CGA, and we need to put commands here. So we'll put commands. First we'll exit from this one, LAN router. So we'll go to normal router, and we need to put config t. Then we'll enter to the config of the router. Now we can do changes here. So we'll int f0/0.1. Now it has changed the state. Next we need to encapsulate. First we need to exit this, then we need to encapsulation dot 1q, and we need to put here the number of database. So we are connecting it to database, right? Then the IP address, that is virtual IP address. 192.168.20.1, and it's a DNS server. Yeah, now just exit and it will be configured. So exit once again, system config. Yeah, now you can see, wait, now you can see there is a red mark in the port 5. So I'll just go to port 5 and we'll remove the access to it. Then after removing that, you can see these two will be changing. The port 4 and port 3. So we need to change that also, and we need to connect them to the LAN that we have, database. Connect it to the LAN. Yeah, now just run commands. It's just missing it. Yeah, now you can see there is screen everywhere. Just give some time, it will be successful. There will be fails in the beginning. Just give time to configure. Yeah, there's one success. Fail. Just send 2 to 3 packets in the beginning, then there will be success. Yeah, now you can see the reach is showing successful everywhere. Yeah, you can see these all are now connected to each other. So this is the experiment we have done today, virtual LAN, VLAN, that is VLAN. So this side two pieces are in LAN, connected through LAN, and these two are connected through virtually. Like their gateway is different, and this two pieces gateway is different. But when we send packets from this PC to this virtual LAN PC, it's showing successful. That means the packets are reaching properly, even from router also. So thank you everyone. This is the video of today.